If you're thinking about starting your own business, one of the first things you gotta do is figure out what type of business you want it to be. It's not just about selling stuff. It's also about how you're going to run things and, importantly, how you're going to deal with taxes. Now, one option you might consider is something called an S Corporation, or S Corp for short. It's a bit fancy sounding, but basically, it's a way to set up your business so you can save on taxes. Instead of your business paying taxes, the money passes through to you and any other owners, and you pay taxes on it personally. Pretty cool, right? But before you can become an S Corp, there are some steps you need to follow. And by the way, if you would like to get help forming your own S Corp, I highly suggest you reach out to Northwest Registered Agents. They're professionals and they will be able to help you out. For your convenience, I left my affiliate link down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's continue. First off, you've got to come up with a name for your business. Your business name is more than just a label. It's an essential part of your brand identity. When selecting a name for your S Corp, ensure it's not only unique, but also reflects your brand values and offerings. Make sure it follows the rules in your state because you don't want to run into any legal trouble down the line. Once you've got a name, you'll need to file some paperwork called the Articles of Incorporation. This step is where you officially register your business with the government. The Articles of Incorporation detail vital information about your business, such as its purpose, address, and structure. Each state has its own requirements for this filing, so be sure to follow your state's guidelines closely. Next up, you'll need to decide who owns what in your business. Stock issuance is how you divide ownership of your corporation among shareholders. This process involves determining the number of shares and distributing them accordingly. Remember, S Corps have limitations on the number and type of shareholders they can have, so it's crucial to adhere to these regulations. It's like dividing up pieces of a pie among your friends. Just remember, with an S Corp, you can't have too many owners, so keep it under 100. After that, you'll want to pick some folks to help run the show. This means electing a board of directors. Your corporation's board of directors plays a significant role in decision-making and governance. These individuals are elected by shareholders and oversee the company's strategic direction. Officers, on the other hand, are appointed to manage day-to-day operations. Ensuring you have a competent and diverse board is essential for the success of your S Corp. It's like having a team of captains steering your ship. Now, to qualify for S Corporation status, your business must meet certain criteria set by the Internal Revenue Service. This includes being a domestic corporation, having a limited number of shareholders, and adhering to specific business types. Understanding and fulfilling these requirements are crucial steps in obtaining S Corp status, like getting a stamp of approval from the tax folks. Once you've checked all those boxes, you'll need to get something called an Employer Identification Number, or EIN for short. Think of an EIN as your business's social security number. It's necessary for various administrative tasks such as hiring employees, opening bank accounts, and filing taxes. Applying for an EIN is relatively straightforward. It can be done online through the IRS website. Now comes the big moment. After you've laid the groundwork for your S Corp and met all the eligibility requirements, it's time to officially elect S Corporation status. This involves filing Form 2553 with the IRS and obtaining signatures from all shareholders. Keep in mind the potential complexities of S Corp taxation and ensure you are prepared to handle them. Once you're done, you'll be all set to enjoy those tax benefits. But hold your horses, we're not quite done yet. In addition to federal requirements, you'll need to comply with state and local regulations. This may include obtaining specific licenses and permits to operate your business legally. Each state has its own set of rules, so be sure to research and adhere to the requirements in your area. Depending on where you live, you might need to get some extra licenses or permits to do business. Then, you'll have to set up some rules for how your business is going to run. Bylaws serve as the internal rules and regulations governing your corporation's operations. These documents outline procedures for shareholder meetings, decision-making processes, and other essential aspects of corporate governance. Developing comprehensive bylaws helps ensure clarity and consistency in your business practices. Lastly, regular meetings. These are essential for maintaining transparency and accountability within your S Corporation. Annual meetings provide an opportunity to review company performance, elect directors, and address any significant issues or decisions. Keeping detailed minutes of these meetings is crucial for legal compliance and record-keeping purposes. So, there you have it. That's the lowdown on starting an S Corporation. It's a cool way to save on taxes and get your business off the ground. Just remember, you've got to pick a catchy name, fill out some paperwork, and jump through a few hoops to get that S Corp status. Oh, and don't forget about following the rules and getting all the necessary licenses and stuff. But hey, with some hard work and a bit of luck, you'll be well on your way to making your business dreams a reality. And don't forget that if you would like to get help in starting your own S Corp, I highly suggest you reach out to Northwest Registered Agents. They're professionals and they will be able to help you out. For your convenience, I left my affiliate link for their website down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.